beautiful day to work. Minus 14. That's got glow plugs.
It don't work.
The glow plugs? That one don't work either.
Where were these? One ton. The joys of winter weather, baby. And just pulling into the chip yard. They haven't been taking chips, well, maybe off and on the last couple years here and there, but we're gonna get our account set up so we can start bringing in chips and make a few extra bucks as far as that goes. Help pays for fuel and some of the guys and everything like that, and so we just don't have to bring it all back to our yard each day. So we're gonna go in there, get our account set up, and go from there. Oh, she wasn't there. I gave the information to the guy, and they're supposed to give us a call here soon. I was hoping to bring in maybe some chips today. I just gotta get my insurance sent over to them, so we'll see how that goes. We'll see you guys at the job site. Were they all on? Was this one on? Yeah, I took it off when I had to go get a fridge. What makes it nice is just the big chippers made such a difference this year. With these 3 trees, we'd probably only be able to top the second halves of these with our 12-inch, but being able to just feed the whole tree right through and not have to come back for the wood and everything is just a game changer. It's saved a lot of time. It's actually been tough figuring out how to price certain trees this year because we can do them so much quicker. So I guess we do them a little cheaper, but you don't know if you should stick with the same price. So it makes it a little more difficult. Green's hard. actually the job that my foot got run over earlier this year. We've been here 3 times this year. So here. I get too greedy every once in a while. Look good?
Super.
You're going for customer of the year. They've been here 3 times this year.
Yeah.
Or actually 2 now. I guess this is the first time of the year.
I'm eating dog food. How much? And I'll have a make-up with it.
Does buck sound fair?
Oh, God, that's super.
That's super. If you want to tip us, feel free to.
Huh?
If you want to give us a tip, feel free.
Okay. The wife will pick up all the small stuff in the spring.
Okay, well,
I mean, you know.
yeah, I'll break up the best I can.
Yeah.
I want it to look
I realize a lot of that. They don't worry about it.
I want it to look presentable when people drive by anyways. Oh, wrong way. Yeah, so this, like I was saying, was where I'd get run over earlier in the year. Sometimes I just decide to get too close to a machine and it comes back to bite you every once in a while. So you learn from your mistakes and go from there, I guess. But I think that's the 3rd or 4th time we've been at this job this year. He's been a great customer over the years and just likes to take a few trees here and there, and we just keep going for him, so works out good.